Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to customize the Dawn free theme in Shopify. We will start with a quick walkthrough to understand how the theme is built. We will cover the sections, blocks, and how they work. Then we will actually build an example store together using the most common sections and basic design tools. So as you can see, this is what we are going to build today. Of course, you will use your own images, but this is how the theme will look. This lesson is more technical than design focused, but later on I will upload more videos with styling ideas and industry specific looks. So let's get started. From your dashboard, go to online store, then customize theme. A pro tip that developers use: do not work directly on your live theme. Always duplicate it and make changes to the copy. That way you can test everything before publishing. Okay, so click Customize on your duplicated theme. Now that we are in the editor, on the left side panel, you control the content, theme settings, and layout. In Shopify, we work with sections and blocks. Each section can contain different blocks. You can add new sections in two ways. From the section list on the left, click Add Section, or hover the page and click the Add Section button that appears in line. You can change the order of the sections by clicking the arrows inside the section settings or dragging and dropping from the sidebar. The default structure is header, the logo, and the menu, template, main content, and footer. Let's take a look at the types of blocks and sections you can use. You will see lots of options you can experiment with. So you can try adding and going back with this button here, or just delete it anytime. Now let's look at the theme settings, bottom of the left sidebar. Here you can control colors, set a color scheme for different sections, typography, adjust fonts, currency formatting, layout, you can adjust padding and grid. Skip this if you are unsure. Buttons, you can adjust thickness, shape, and etc. Social media, you can add links. We will only touch one part now, uploading the logo. So go to the theme settings, click on logo, and upload your logo. I'm going to upload this one and then click save. Below that, you can also add a favicon icon. It's the browser tab icon. Now back to the theme settings, you can also add CSS. But if you don't know CSS, don't touch the custom CSS section for now. I will upload separate videos for that later. Also, under theme settings, you will find apps. This is where you can manage any installed apps and decide if they will be displayed in the theme. Okay, let's start building our theme. Start from the header section. First, let's add an announcement bar. You can choose a color scheme that fits your message. I'm gonna choose this one. You can make the announcement bar rotate between multiple blocks if you add more than one. Let's click the block inside and edit the text. For example, I will write free shipping on all orders. I have it ready, so I'm gonna copy paste it. But feel free to use it for promotions, restocks, or whatever you want customers to see first. Now, head over to the header settings, and here you can choose the menu layout. A drop down, a mega menu. This is how the mega menu looks, and this is how the drop down menu looks. Choose whether the header is sticky. I will leave it on scroll up, which means it only shows when the user scrolls back up. Here you can choose logo position. A quick reminder: to upload the logo, go back to theme settings and then click logo if you have not already. Now let's move to the banner section. This is one of the most important parts. It grabs the visitor's attention. Use a high quality image. The recommended ratio is 3 to 2, like 1080 by 720px. You can also go higher resolution if you want. Choose an image that matches your store's niche. I'm going to pick one related to jewelry. You can also add files from your computer. Under the banner height, choose large, small, or adapt to original image. I will go with adapt to original. Choose button position. It depends on which side you want it to appear. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now. Then go back and edit the title and the bottom text. So here in the title, I'm gonna use elegant, minimal, and you. I'm gonna copy paste it. Now for the bottom, I'm gonna use shop now. Now let's pick the collection the button will link to. Always click save before continuing. Quick note, the Dawn theme doesn't support separate images for desktop and mobile, so always check the mobile preview to make sure your design works well. Click the mobile icon at the top to preview. If it looks good, we can continue. If you need more time, just stop this video and continue in your phase. Now let's work on the main template content. By default, you will see future products. You can select which collection to display, then change the title. I will write new arrivals, gonna copy paste it. You can use this area for seasonal products, bestsellers, or anything you want to highlight. Here, you can choose how many products to show on desktop or mobile view, and click Save. Now, let's add another section, Collection List. This will show your collections in card format. It displays the image you set for each collection. If you don't know how to set up collections, go and watch the video on how to create them. Under the title, we can also choose to hide the title. I will remove it for now. Now let's go back and let's add one more collection card to make it 4. But you can pick how many cards you want to show. You can delete or add. Click again the collection list, and here we will choose how many collections to show. I will set 4 for desktop and 2 for mobile. Now, let's pick 4 collections to display. We're going to choose each collection individually to pick the collection we want to assign to it. For example, the first card, I'm going to use Essentials, this collection, Essentials. Now let's move on to the second one. Here, I'm going to use Weekend Picks. And in the third one, I'm going to choose the Charms collection. And the last one, Summer Picks. Click Save, and that's it. Now let's go back to sections and add a new one. Scroll down and select Featured Product. Here we will choose a specific product we want to highlight. This is great if you want to push a bestseller, a new arrival, or a product on sale. Once the product is selected, you can go back and edit the title and description if you want. I will leave it as it is for now. Don't forget to click Save once you are happy with it. It's gonna look like this. Let's keep going. Next up, email sign up. If you already have one, great. If not, here is how to edit. Usually the email sign up is in the footer by default, like this. But if you want it above the footer, just click Add Section, place it above the footer, and choose Email Sign Up. Now you can customize the title and adjust the colors to match your brand. Yeah, I know, it's not a huge feature, but at least you have some control. If that's how you want it, let's hide the default one in the footer. Click on the footer, uncheck the email subscription option, and done. Don't forget to click Save. Later on, if you want something more powerful like collecting emails, creating pop-ups, or automating emails, check out apps like Klaviyo. Now, let's customize the footer. First, choose your preferred color by clicking on Color Scheme and selecting a color. I'm going to choose this one. Then add social icons and a footer menu. So go to the theme settings, click on social media, and add the links you want to display in the footer. From the footer section, you can choose to show or hide them. Next, let's add a footer menu block. Click Add Block, choose Menu, and select the one you want. Don't forget to save your changes. Now, let's preview what we have done. And here you go. It's not easy at the beginning, but with practice, it gets much easier. You now have plenty to explore and customize. In the next video, if you are ready, I will show you how to add testimonials using this theme. So either jump to the bonus video or try it out on your own as homework. That's it for now. We have covered the essentials of editing the Dawn template in Shopify. More videos coming soon with advanced customization tips for different industries. If you got questions, drop them in the comment section and I will do my best to help. See you in the next one.